Good evening, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Barkan. I am the Director of the Cytopathology Fellowship and the Vice Chair of Education at the Department of Pathology at Loyola University. Graduates, families, residents, alumni, faculty, all of you, welcome to the graduation celebration in 2019. I would like to congratulate all the graduates. You have done a wonderful job and we are all proud of you. Good job. This year, we have two wonderful young men graduating from our Cytopathology Fellowship program, Patrick McIntyre and Reza Eshraghi. And with them, we have had a wonderful year. They have done a great job with the fellowship, following through with every case and every patient. They have learned a whole bunch of things, doing fine needle aspirations themselves, doing the rapid on-site evaluations and being able to render their own diagnosis independently, being able to formulate reports, as well as teaching the residents and excelling in teaching the residents. So I'm proud of both of you. Good job. Congratulations. Let's go through them one by one. Patrick McIntyre is the first one. So Patrick has come to us from Weill Cornell University in New York, but he's a Naperville native, so it actually is a homecoming for him. So he was coming back home and being with his family while he was in his fellowship. He did an excellent job. He very quickly adjusted to Loyola and earned the respect and the trust of all the residents as well as the faculty. He quickly became one of Dr. Pambuchan's tweeting angels, exclusive club in our department, where Dr. Pambuchan sends his pictures and these young individuals tweet these pictures. But Patrick took it a step further and learned how to take beautiful, very aesthetic pictures and started tweeting himself, which is really, really nice. And this streak of art really showed itself in the Path Awards, or the Path Art Awards, where he actually took these pictures and his picture was awarded with one of the prizes. So congrats to that. But on top of that, he did other things too. For instance, he was a very, very prolific writer. As a fellow who had been here only for 1 year, he was able to publish 4 manuscripts, 4 papers, and he has 3 really in line waiting to be published. So that really gives you a grand total of 7, which is a huge number. Patrick, don't let that get to your head, but keep working. And sometimes I wondered, where's this high energy coming from? How was this, Dr. Picken-like high energy? And it turns out Patrick actually hits the gym every day, and on top of that, plays golf every day with, every other day with his dad or his roommate. So talk about wellness, Good job, Patrick. Keep it up. Patrick will be heading to a breast pathology fellowship at Weill Cornell, going back to New York, and we wish him the best of luck in his fellowship and the years beyond that. I'm sure he's going to do a wonderful job there and also afterwards. So our second fellow is Dr. Reza Eshraghi, who's no stranger to any of us in this room. He has been one of our residents for the last 4 years. He's been with us. And after that, he just eased into his cytopathology fellowship position with no issues, and he was very confident, and it really showed, and he did a wonderful job during the year. The residents, the cytotechnologists respected him, and whenever they were in need for any help, Reza would be there to help them. So he's the kind of guy who you can trust to be there for you, and it's just so wonderful to have him with us. Now, Reza was one of the Pambuchan's angels too, tweeting angels, I should say, and he was also tweeting these wonderful images and kind of learned a lot of things along the lines of that too. Now, rumor has it, Reza wanted to be a professional soccer player when he grew up. I don't know about that. I think he plays some tennis on the side, but he has become a real darn good cytopathologist, and it shows, and I'm so proud of having him as one of our fellows. Reza will be heading on to the Breast Pathology Fellowship at Northwestern, working together with Dr. Kalliopi Siziopikou, and I'm sure he's going to do a wonderful job there. We wish him the best of luck in his fellowship and the years beyond. I'm sure he's going to do a good job with his work too. Now, just one final word about both of these fellows. And I want to teach you a word here that we have slang in our department, and the word is bearable. Years ago, one of our chief assistant or chief residents coined this term, bearable resident or bearable person, meaning this person is such a nice person that not only I would be okay with having him as a co-resident, but also I would like to go out with this person, share a meal, share a drink, and actually have this person as a friend. So bearable means, really kind of heartfelt feeling. So this is how we feel about both Reza and Patrick. You guys are not only bearable, but also people who actually we would like to know and be friends with for years to come and watch you grow in your careers, and just think to ourselves, maybe we had a small role into where you got to. So congratulations to both of you, and remember, once a Loyolan, always a Loyolan. Love you guys. Bye.